Students, we were doing second chapter of maths, linear equation in one variable, okay? All of you are having this question booklet of Vidyanext Institute. In our last class, we have completed till question 32. Okay, students, we have completed till question 32. Now let's start from question 33. Open your question booklet to page number 21. Page 21, question 33. What is your question 33? See students, it is 8x minus 3 upon 3x is equal to 2. Okay, see the question students. 8x minus 3 upon 3x equal to 2. It is a new variety. We have not done these types of questions. So what we will do students, in such types of questions, we will just cross multiply. What we will do, we will cross multiply. It is 2, that means I can write it 2 by 1. So what we have to do, we have to cross multiply. The denominator of this will be multiplied to the numerator of RHS and the denominator of RHS will be multiplied to the numerator of LHS. Okay, what we will do, we will just cross multiply them. Okay, this can be written as 2 by 1. This 1 will go above and 3x will go either. 1 into any number is same. Okay, 1 into 8x minus 3 will be same. And here we will do 2 into 3x. Why we are doing so? Because the number which is in division comes to the multiplication on the other side. Okay, now what we will get, 8x minus 3 is 6x. Now the same procedure that we do, variables on one side and constant on one side. So we will bring 6x here, it will become minus 6x, 3 will go there. Now we will get 2x is equal to 3. Now this 2 is in multiplication, so it will go in division on the other side. Your final answer is x equal to 3 by 2. Okay students, this was the procedure. There is no check written in this exercise. Okay, so we are not writing it. Okay, note it down in your question bank. Here the space is given. These are the questions from exercise 2.6. Okay, these are the questions from exercise 2.6. Note it down. Your question 34 students, it is same as question 33. You have to just cross multiply it. See question 34. You can write 15 as 15 by 1. Cross multiply it, then brings the variables on one side and constants on one side. So it will be your homework. Question 34 will be your homework students. It is same as question 33. Okay, your question 35 is also similar. What you have to do, you have to cross multiply. You will identify these questions because in this you are having numerator upon denominator on both the sides. Okay, in question 35 also it is same as question 33. Okay, now let's see question 36 students. It is also in a similar manner, just there is a negative sign. See question 36, what it is? 3y plus 4 upon 2 minus 6y is equal to minus 2 by 5. Okay, see your question 36, what it is? 3y plus 4 upon 2 minus 6y is equal to minus 2 by 5. Okay, here also we will apply the same formula. What we will do? We will cross multiply it. Okay, what we will do, we will cross multiply. See, 5 will go in the multiplication like this. Write it in brackets so that you won't do any mistake. Here minus 2 is there and here it will go in the bracket. Okay students, see the steps how I am doing. Why we are multiplying? Because in division the number goes to the multiplication. Okay, so what will be our next step? Distributive property, 5 will be multiplied by both and minus 2 will be multiplied by both. See, 5 into 3y will be 15y. 5 into 4 will be 20. The sign was plus, I have kept it. Now, minus 2 into 2 will be minus 4. Plus minus minus, and minus 2 into minus 6y will be plus 12y. Minus into minus is plus. Now, our next step is to keep the variables together and constants together. What I will do, I will bring 12y here. It will become minus 12y. Minus 4 is there only. We will take 20 here. It will become minus 20. Okay, now 15y minus 12y is 3y. Minus minus plus, sign is of minus. Now this 3 is in multiplication, so it will go in the division. 3 ones are 3, 8s are. What is your final answer? Y is equal to minus 8. Clear, students? Y is equal to minus 8. Is it clear? First we have cross multiplied. First step. Second step, keep the variables together and constant together. Keep the sign in between, okay? Take correction of the sign. You do mistake here only, okay, students? So see your sign should not be wrong. This is your final answer. Okay, they are very easy questions. You have to just cross multiply it. Now students, question 37 is same as question 36. Okay, that will also be your homework. Students, you have to do the homework honestly by yourself. If you are having any doubt, we will discuss in our live class. Note it down, pause the video and note this question. Students, we have completed our all the solve the equation questions. Okay, now we will start our word problems. Okay, students, we will start our word problems today. What will be the strategy that we will follow for word problems, students? Listen. Okay, since all the word problems are different, I will solve it on the board. You have to first pause the video and understand it properly. Then note it down in your question booklet, and your homework will be to do it in another copy without seeing. Okay, if there will be same questions, I will give you homework. But if all the questions would be different, I will make for you. I will make you understand the question. You have to understand it, note it down by seeing the board in your question booklet, and you have to do the same thing without seeing in your another copy, and that your another copy I will check in the live session. Okay, be honest with yourself. Whenever you will try it without seeing, you will get confidence that yes, I can make. Okay, so this will be the procedure. You first have to understand it, then write it down in your question booklet, then make it in another copy without seeing. Okay, be honest with yourself, students. So let's go on to question 38. Your word problem starts from exercise 2.2. Okay, your all word problem starts from exercise 2.2. Okay, students, till question 52 from 38 to 52 belongs to your exercise 2.2. Okay, these all are word problems. I have told you that first we have solved the equations and then we will do the word problems. I am not writing the question here. All of you are having the question booklet. Read the question, what it is saying. If you subtract 1 by 2 from a number and multiply the result by 1 by 2. Students, in the word problems, you have to read each sentence properly. Okay, what it is saying, if you subtract 1 by 2 from a number and multiply the result by 1 by 2, you get 1 by 8. What is the number? So what we will do, our first step will be, let the number be x. Okay, you have to suppose the number as x. You can take any variable. We are taking x. Now read the question. You have to do step 1 by 1. If you subtract 1 by 2 from a number That means from a number what we will do? We will subtract 1 by 2. Don't write anything, see here. Okay, whatever thing the question is saying, we are doing. Okay, this is the best strategy to solve the word problem. If you subtract 1 by 2 from the number and multiply the result by 1 by 2. What you have to do? You have to multiply the whole result by 1 by 2. You get 1 by 8. Okay, so this is your equation. Students, what we have done, if you subtract the number from 1 by 2 and multiply it by 1 by 2, you will get 1 by 8. So this is our equation. And we know how to solve the equations. Till question 37, we have only solved the different types of equations. It will help here. What I can write x as, this x can be written as x by 1. Okay, so 1 by 2 is here. What will be our LCM? 1 and 2 LCM will be 2. Now 2 divided by 1 will be 2. 2 into x, 2x minus 2 divided by 2, 1. 1 into 1, 1. Okay, we are writing it same. The LCM is divided by the new denominator and the result is multiplied by the numerator. Now, how we will multiply the rational numbers? Numerator into numerator and denominator into denominator. 1 into 2x minus 1 is 2x minus 1. 2 into 2 is 4. Now we have got the questions that we have done solved earlier. We will cross multiply. Okay, 8 will be multiplied here. And 1 into 4 is 4. Okay. Now what we will do, students? 8 will be multiplied by 2x and also 1. So 8 into 2x will be 16x. Okay, 8 into 2x will be 16x. There is a negative sign in between. 8 into 1 is 8. And this 4 will be same. Now what we will do? Variables on one side and constants on one side. So variable 16x will be here only. 8 will go there. It will become 4 plus 8. Okay. Now it will become 16x is equal to 12. Now 16 is in multiplication. So it will go in the division. We will cut it by 2. 2 6 are 12. 2 8 are 16. Again 2 3s are 6. 2 4s are 8. So what is the value of x we are getting? We are getting x as 3 by 4. Now we have to write the answer in words. The number is 3 by 4. Because this is your word problem, you have to write the answer in words. Clear, students? This was your question 38. First see it properly. Then note it down in your question booklet by seeing on the board. Then keep it aside, see the question and solve it in another copy. So this will also be your homework to do it by your own. Okay, you have to show me that copy in which you have made. Be honest with yourself, students. Note it down. Now students, open question number 39. Read question 39, what it is. There is a perimeter of a rectangular swimming pool is 154 meter. Okay, first write it down. What is given? Perimeter of a rectangle. Okay, perimeter of a rectangle is given as, how much it is given? 154 meter. And it is given that its length is 2 more than twice its breadth. Okay, its length is 2 more than twice its breadth and you have to find the length and breadth. Okay, so let us assume that let the breadth be x. Okay, let the breadth be x. Okay, that means your b is x. Then what's the question saying? Read it carefully. Length is, see here, length is 2 more than twice its breadth. 2 more than twice its breadth. So it will be your L. Clear, students, if it is a rectangle. Okay, this is your length and this is your breadth. Clear what we have written? that there is a rectangle with length L and breadth B. We have taken breadth as x, and as the question is given, your length will be 2x plus 2. Now we have to find the length and breadth. What we will do, we know that perimeter of rectangle is, what is the formula? Perimeter of rectangle is 2 length plus breadth. Okay, we will put the values here. What is the perimeter given? 154. 2. What is your length? 2x plus 2. What is your breadth? Your breadth is x. Now what we will do, students? 154 is 2. Here 2x plus x will be 3x plus 2. Now what will happen? This 2 will be multiplied by both. We will get 154 is equal to 6x plus 2. What we have got? 154 is equal to 6x plus 2. Now keep the variables together and constants together. You will get 154 minus 2 is equal to 6x. What we will get? 152 is equal to 6x. Now this 6 is in multiplication, so it will go in the division here. So what will be the value of x? 6 ones are 6, 6 2s are 12, 13, 14, 15, 32. Okay, we are getting this only. Are we getting this, students? Check it out. Okay, are you getting this? Check. Students, here we have done wrong. Here we will do 2 2s are 4. So what will come here? Here we will get 154 minus 4. Here we will get 150. Do the corrections. What we have done here, 2 2s are 4 and this 4 will come here. It will become 150 by x. Now 6 2s are 12, 3 here, 6 5s are 30. So your x is your 25. Okay, this is not the answer. Many students write the answer and leave it. This is your breadth. Okay, your breadth was x. So this is your breadth, 25. See the unit which is given, it is meter. So write 25 meter. Now what was your length? Your length was 2x plus 2. Now put the value here. What we will do? 2 into 25 plus 2. What we will get? 50 plus 2. That means 52 meter. So what will you write? The length of rectangle is 52 meter. Okay, and breadth is 25 meter. Okay, this is your final answer. You don't have to just leave here. You have to find the value of both breadth and length and then write the answer in words. Clear, students? Have you understood this? The perimeter was given and you have to calculate the other things, length and breadth. Okay, so this will also be a homework to do it in another copy. So your today's homework are question 34, 35, 36. You have to make it in your question bank. And 38 and 39 you will make it in another copy. And you have to note it down this solution by seeing from board in the question booklet. Okay, rest questions we will do in the next class.